Aku por waklat ke Belanda te. Ia berok sangut ya rak kesenduk cengka. Tang bopet mentah buat ufrai dia. Kam no ke ceng cencar am. Tip syuk kan long kumna lah dah. Yap sama mana ni.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda beke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalap li ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy lepi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na kabenda ka neat.
Uwei orang ba ula Mynsaw jor hadian bakawai kekali kebadan your registration number ASO1KC 2276 kala Khongpong hapadang Surok ba National Highway 6 on the poi hakasinong halum umpi Hariboy district. Katkum kejingte balayo lum la yathu bakanika kali kabanya do unayan mani barwa kadai kebadang wan na Shillong banlecha Guwahati haka arpusau terek ujamang arja punrio but on the poi halum umpi haka por kumba ar khatsan minute no osni kala Khongpong namar kajing Pynher Stet chapapalat Nongñiah. Layaturu bakawai nakasyaka kabasyakmat kalapad kat hadu ba Nongñiah omla syoban sensaryo ulakam jongka kali kabalakala sendon hapadeng kesorok ba. Ha kani kejingja na ki henriungot ke basyong hapo kakali ya Uwei na ki ubala Mynsaw jor lapen ken no sya CHC umsning ban namar bala jor syaba palat kejing Mynsaw lapen ken riano sya Bethany Hospital nongpo ban yo ia kejing sumar ke bapaka. Ki pulet Hariboy district ki balayo jingte bhalor kani kejingja ki lalet ban pelong ya kejing toket ke babanya batano ya kakali syathanan.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.